This movie is really cool. What do you think?
Cool. Not at all. This is scary.
Scary, ha 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 ha. Are you afraid?
Shut up, this is scary. Don't laugh.
Ooh. Little Lizzie is afraid.
Please just change the channel.
Okay, I am changing the channel. You are crying like a baby. What should we watch now? Do you want to watch animation movie?
Of course. I love animation movie. Let's watch animation movie.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Hassan. Today I am going to show you how to make animation videos within a minute. It's very easy. Watch the full video to make your animation video properly. Before that, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's start. First, you need to come to the site to download the free software. I have put the link in the video description of this video. In this software you will find many character, and you can also create your own character. Here is 2 links for download the software. You can direct download the software from direct link, or else you can download from the official website link. After finishing the download, just double click on it and install the software. Now let's go and make an animation. Now open your software. At first, click on this store button and download all the free characters, scene, and clothes. Here you will find free characters. I have already downloaded all the free items. You will find a green button under the free items. Just click on that and that item will be installed within a moment in your software. In the same way, you need to download free scenes, clothes, and language. You can use the scene to make your short animation movie. You can also make video for your YouTube channel. Now click on the camera icon. To make your own character, click the character option. You can see that I have already made some character. To make a new character, click here. Choose male or female. Now select the head shape of the character. Choose skin color. Select the hairstyle and the color of hair. It's all up to you. Open the door of your imagination and make the perfect character for your animation. Now you have to select the pitch of voice FO your character.
How do I sound? How do I sound? How do I sound? How do I sound?
I am selecting this. Give a name of your character. Here is the new character. Now to create an animation, click on plots, then create a new plots. First we need to select a scene. To do that, click on scene and select one. Now select your characters. You can also select the position of your character. I am selecting one more character which I have made earlier. Now click on dialogue. Choose your character and write your dialogue. You can also give movement to your character. Here is many movement. You can select one for your character. You can see the preview by click on this play button.
This movie is really cool. What do you think?
Now I am selecting the second character. Like this way you can select your characters, write the dialogue, choose the movement and make your one animation video. You can also add music and songs to your video. After finishing all the work, click Render Video. Then click Save the video. I am selecting without subtitle. It can take some time to render the video. Now give a name to your video. And save it. I am saving it to desktop. Here is our video.
This movie is really cool. What do you think?
Cool. Not at all. This is scary.
Scared? Ha 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 ha. Are you afraid?
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you face any problem or if you have any question, please comment down below, and I request you to subscribe to my channel. If you do that, it will motivate me to make more videos for you.